Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today we're focusing on one of my all-time favorite poses for several reasons, dancer. Let's see which zone works the best for you today, and let's explore the many options you've got for dancer.
This entire series is inspired by my book, Yoga for One. Let's begin by standing on one leg and see if we can match our knees next to one another. We're slowly moving the knee joint and seeing how our balance is feeling about being on one leg. If it's available to us, we can also see what it's like to take the same hand behind us and possibly remove our hand from the chair or the support of the wall. If that's going well, we can see how the other side feels, noticing that we may feel different on each leg, especially if we have a health history on one side or the other. Leg first, arm second, and support third. Over time, we're working on moving into the posture without necessarily holding on to a structure. This may feel different for us depending on where we place the hands. One option is to place the hands at the forehead and to still have the knees matching as we move, seeing if we can work up to standing still. We can also add a gentle back extension to the posture, which is a little harder to begin with, as you can see here. These are setting us up for bigger versions of the posture if we'd like to move forward. In the yellow zone, we'll hold on to the block and see how we feel to take the leg behind us. Notice the knee is not matching the other knee, it's slightly behind it in hip hyperextension. We can also see how it feels to take the block behind us, which is going to be surprisingly challenging on our balance. The next variation is to start in the green zone by seeing if we can reach back to hold on to the back foot. This is going to ask for a deeper flexion of the knee joint. Over time, we can take the hip into hyperextension, which brings the back knee a little further behind us, and then see how we feel about opening up the front body by engaging in a deeper back extension. We can also externally rotate the back shoulder and reach forward into our posture. And there you have it, dancer posture in our red, yellow, and green zone from the traffic light method in my new book, Yoga for One. I hope that you'll join me for this entire series where we're learning how you can modify the practice for every body. I'm Dr. Suzie Carmack, and I wish you well as you take good care of yourself. Namaste.